Today, I will be sharing with you my ultimate red velvet cake recipe. It is a super moist cake, perfect for all those red velvet cake lovers. Now let's begin by getting all our ingredients together and at room temperature. First, we will need 300 grams of butter, 600 grams of sugar, 6 grams of salt, 20 grams of red food coloring, 200 grams of eggs, 600 grams of cake flour, 36 grams of natural cocoa powder, 12 grams of baking powder, 12 grams of baking soda, 600 grams of buttermilk, and 30 grams of distilled white vinegar. This recipe requires that all ingredients be measured in grams. By measuring in weight, we eliminate the possibility of having more of one ingredient than what the recipe calls for. Be sure to check out my video, Measuring Matters, for more information. Now let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With the paddle attachment, beat the butter until it is smooth and creamy. This process can take between 1 to 3 minutes. Now slowly add the sugar. Cream the mixture at moderate speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. At the last 3 minutes, add the red food coloring. Add the eggs a little at a time. After each addition, beat until the eggs are absorbed before adding more. After the eggs are beaten in, mix until light and fluffy. This step will take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stop the machine and scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure even mixing. Now add the dry sifted ingredients alternating with the liquid ingredients. This is done by adding 1/4 of the dry ingredients to the mixture first and allowing it to mix until just blended. When the dry ingredients have been combined, 1/3 of the liquid ingredients are added to the mixture. Repeat this method until all ingredients are used. If done correctly, you will end with adding the dry ingredients last. It is important to scrape down the bottom of the bowl to ensure that everything has been mixed evenly. Now mix just for a little bit to make sure all the ingredients are incorporated. When it's finished, we fill our cake pan all the way up to about 1 inch from the rim. Spread the mixture evenly and give it a good tap on the bottom to release any trapped air bubbles. When making cupcakes, always use the ice cream scoop method. This ensures that all cupcakes are the same size. Now we are ready to put our cakes into the oven. The cupcakes will take about 20 minutes to bake. Cake between 45 to 1 hour and 15 minutes. All done! Let's take this cake out and see what we have. Let the cake cool for about 5 minutes and trim the excessive top part. Remember to save the top part for we can make cake pops later, unless your kids or husband are around and want a piece. After the cake has cooled for 15 minutes, we are ready to unmold from the cake pan. It is always good to use oven gloves just in case the pan is still warm to the touch. Gently remove the cake pan and remove the parchment paper. And voila! Here is our super moist red velvet cake. Red velvet is best paired with a good cream cheese buttercream, so why not check out my crusting cream cheese buttercream tutorial? And you can create such confections as these, my decadent red velvet cupcakes, as well as everybody's favorite, my ultimate red velvet cake.
To see more videos like this and more, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, find us on Facebook, Baking Savvy 101.